Hi, my name is Gerald Laparan, 21 years old, and I am from Batangas. I am a former SK Kagawad in our locality, and I saw how SK election were being used for selfish ends, being utilized for patronage politics and for corrupt ambitions. From those points, I thought that the government is just wasting its time, effort, and money to conduct SK election in the Philippines. On the other side, I am also aware how important the voice of the youth should be heard for an effective governance. Their energy, ideas, and sincere effort to shape government for the benefit of all is something very significant to us. From this, I should say, I am not in favor of abolishing Sangguniang Kabataan election. However, I strongly recommend reforms. Number 1. Clear and concrete output shall be constitute on the obligation of SK captains and councilors. Example, on filing the candidacy, candidates should be able to have a clear platforms already that consists of their plans and agenda for the next 3 years. Number 2 is a yearly evaluation of their outputs. In this mechanism, government agencies should evaluate and monitor if projects were being implemented, and if funds were properly liquidated. The last one, I would like to recommend an independent advisor. These independent advisors, probably from the National Youth Commission, to guide and give advice for our SK councilors and captains on how they will be an effective and efficient public servants in our country. At the end of the day, I still believe that SK election is still an important way of honing the leadership skills of our young Filipinos for a brighter future. Thank you.